So in this step 8, we're going to look at how to link subject buttons at the bottom of the homepage to other courses. If you're at Seven Oak or the high school or you're a kindergarten teacher, you can go ahead and skip this video because your homepages won't have those subject buttons. Just go on to the next video. Okay. So let's go back here to my template that I've been working on. And in this example, I'm gonna link these subject buttons. But if you were using, so for example, if you were using the a list style, so scrolling down here to daily schedule simple list, it'd be the exact same process, but instead of linking a button, you would link the text. Okay, and really use whatever works for you and what you think your students are going to be able to use the most. So I'm going back here to this page. I'm going to hit edit. Now the process is almost exactly what we did for linking these course buttons. Okay, where we're going to link to another part in Canvas. But instead of linking to a course item, we're going to actually have to go and find the appropriate course. Now, you're not going to be able to do this on the versions that you're building right now. You're going to need to come back to this video once your real live courses have been created. Okay, so you'd put your navigation there, and then after you've imported everything into your real life course, then you go ahead and link up those other courses, and you only have to do it once, and they'll be linked throughout the year. But we need some information here, and so we need to know what other courses are there. So once we've actually we actually know what those other courses are, they've actually been loaded into your account. I'm just going to open up my dashboard in another page. Okay, and so I think we're working on this one right now just to make sure. Yeah, Science 7, and so we're just going to pretend that this is one of the other courses. Okay, and so if I'm on this, all I have to do is click into it. And I can copy this link right here. Okay, you notice that every course has a specific number. So that's all we need, is we need that specific course link. So we're going to highlight and right click copy, or Command C or Control C, depending if you're Mac or PC. Go back to our thing here. And then we're going to click the button. And we're going to go to link. Again, it's not a course link because we can't, it's not actually within the course, it's outside the course. So we're going to external links, and then we're going to paste our link there and hit done. Now, if we left it like that, remember that it's going to open up a new tab every time they click on it, which may not be a bad thing for your 7th and 8th graders, but it may be a bad thing for your 2nd graders. So you need to decide whether or not you're going to take this next step. And so it would be great to have this load inside the same tab. So we actually have to change a little bit of the code down here on the right. Again, we're going to click the HTML editor button, and that opens up our HTML. Notice that it starts at the bottom and it works upwards, okay, which is actually very helpful because as you look up through it, you're going to see some keywords like daily schedule. Okay, so that's the top of it. And then I'm looking for that very first link. And remember that we look for the words Ahref right there. Okay, and so there's the first one. And you see there's no other ones yet. And so this is linking to that course right there. There's that course 1015, which we pasted in there. And all we have to do is we need to change this word where it says target equals underscore blank to underscore self. Hey, shout out to Hannah. I think it was Hannah, whose boyfriend, I think, gave us this tip on changing it from blank to self so that it opened up in the same tab. That was a really helpful tip. And so thank you, thank you, thank you. Close that and save it. And I'm just going to do this first one, but you would repeat the process through all their different subjects. So now when a student comes to your course, they click on it in the same tab, it now takes them to a different course. So you see Math 6, and I just don't have the homepage set up yet. Okay. So just as a reminder, you got to wait till after the real courses have been created, and then you can go in and do that. Thank you.